Welcome to 9121 Foxfire Drive, a lovingly maintained home settled in the heart of Westridge Glen, Highlands Ranch. As you step into the home, you are greeted with a vaulted entry with hardwood floors and a formal living room and dining room, as well as a kitchen with eating space. The adjacent family room has a gas fireplace and flows well from the kitchen. Also on this floor is a laundry area and powder room. There are plantation shutters on many windows throughout the home. Upstairs, there are 3 bedrooms. The primary bedroom faces east, keeping a cooler bedroom in the summer and warmer in the winter. There is a large walk-in shower and upgraded tiles. The basement is also finished, complete with media room, bedroom and 3/4 bathroom. There is a perfect size yard complete with planting beds, which is also nice and shady in the summer. This is a west-facing home, meaning a quick snow melt. This neighbourhood is close to Marcy Park, Redstone Park, the dog park and tennis courts are all in walking distance. Highlands Ranch Golf Course is just a few blocks away. Enjoy Highlands Ranch amenities that include 4 recreation centres, parks and trails galore. Contact us for your private viewing.